So just, I'm going to have you just watch there, and
Okay.
if I go out of the frame, you let me know.
You bet.
Okay. Has it been particularly longer since you've seen me for this? Because this one
No.
looks a little bigger.
And it could be possibly the way I'm walking right now.
Oh, that definitely could be, since you had back surgery and,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, if you think the nerves are injured, we'll get the EMG and we'll see if the back is still the problem.
Okay. And where would you send me to? What type of place?
There is a neurologist who I work with.
Okay.
An EMG is not a particularly comfortable exam.
Oh,
But the guy that I use, is all he does is EMGs. He doesn't treat, he just does the tests. And people who I've sent to him, who have had them done in both places, have said that his was as close to painless as they've ever experienced. So
that sounds good.
yeah,
In what location?
he's in Edina.
Edina, okay.
And he's very good, so. There we go.
Okay.
Right there.
It was pleasantly cool out this morning. It was nice.
Yeah. After all the smoke that's been in the air. I'm just thinking about what you said about the surgeon who did your back, and how frequently I hear that people will go back to the surgeons and the surgeons will say, it looks fine, there's nothing wrong, you shouldn't be having that pain. Yet you are, you know?
Mm-hmm. Maybe tip the camera up just a hair. Oh, there we go.
Constantly take my staff away from their positions to video. Ran out of videos for Callus Tuesday,
Okay.
so we can use these next week. And these are never going to go away as long as you're walking. And we'll just manage them.
At least I'm walking.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Finergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Finergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Finergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.